Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a Google Docs horizontal. So in Google Docs, by default, the settings of your page orientation is portrayed like this. I'm going to zoom out so that you can see it clearly into 50%. Okay, so you can see now the page orientation is portrait or vertical like this. And how to make it horizontal, you can just change the page orientation to landscape, and here is how to do that. So here in the Google Docs, you need to click on the format options at the top and then find the page orientation option. Click on that, and in here you can choose whether you want to apply the settings into the whole document or just selected content. So in this case, I'm going to just click on whole document because my file is now only contents of one page, and then just click on the circle to change it into landscape or horizontal, and then after that click on OK. Okay, now you can see the setting is changed into the horizontal like this. So that's the tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.